Fix an out-of-paper error message for the HPenvyPhoto 7200 and 7900 all-in-one printer series. If your printer is not picking up paper from the input tray or document feeder and a load paper error message is displaying, use the steps in this video to fix potential issues. After each step in this video, try to print again. If you are still experiencing the same issue, proceed to the next step. Step 1. Check the paper. Paper feed issues might result from using bent, wrinkled, or torn paper. Use only new, clean, quality paper that meets printer specifications. For printers with an input tray, open the main tray and slide the paper width guides outwards. Take the stack of paper out of the main tray and remove any bent, wrinkled, or torn paper from the stack. Check for any obstructions inside the main tray and remove. Even small pieces of paper can cause paper feed issues. With both hands, hold the stack of paper and then tap the bottom edge of the stack on a flat surface so that the stack is even on all sides. Insert the stack of paper into the main tray and slide the paper width guides inwards until they touch the edges of the paper. Then close the main tray. For printers with a document feeder, slide the paper guides outwards and then remove the paper from the document feeder. Remove any bent, wrinkled, or torn pages from the stack. With both hands, hold the stack of paper and then tap the bottom edge of the stack on a flat surface so that the stack is even on all sides. Insert the stack of paper back into the document feeder and then slide the paper guides inwards until they touch the edges of the paper. Step 2. Clean the paper feed rollers. Dust, paper fiber, and other debris can accumulate on the paper feed rollers, causing paper jams and feed issues. Cleaning the rollers helps prevent paper jams. Gather the following items: a lint-free cloth and distilled or filtered water. Power off the printer and unplug the power cord. Disconnect any other cables if there are any attached. Lightly dampen the cloth with the water and squeeze any excess water from the cloth. Pull out the main tray. Then gently tilt the printer from the front at about a 60-degree angle to access the printer vase. Press the cloth against the rollers and rotate them away from you using your fingers. Apply moderate pressure to remove any dust or dirt buildup. Wait 10 minutes for the rollers to dry. Reconnect the power cord to the printer. Power on the printer. Step 3. Reset the printer. With the printer powered off, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to the power source. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Reconnect the power cord to the printer. Power on the printer to complete the reset.